The unshaken dominance of the U.S. dollar. Why it still leads the world. In the world of global trade and finance, one truth remains undeniable. The U.S. dollar stands tall as the backbone of international commerce. Despite talks of new currencies, digital assets, and alternative trade systems, the dollar continues to dominate global markets with remarkable authority. It is more than just paper. It is a symbol of trust, power, and global stability. Since the end of World War II, the U.S. dollar has transformed from national currency to the foundation of the global economy. With the 1944 Bretton Woods Agreement, the dollar became the world's reserve currency, a role it continues to hold. Today, nearly 90% of all foreign exchange transactions involve the greenback, and the majority of global trade, from energy to technology, is conducted using dollars. No other currency, not the euro, not the Chinese yuan, and certainly not cryptocurrencies, comes close to matching the dollar's global reach, liquidity, and acceptance. Even in times of crisis, such as the 2008 global financial crash or the COVID-19 pandemic, the world turned to the dollar for security. Investors, corporations, and even governments seek shelter in the stability of the greenback during turbulent times. The dollar's dominance is no accident. It is supported by the size, strength, and stability of the U.S. economy, which boasts a GDP exceeding $26 trillion, making it the largest in the world. The United States is home to the most influential corporations, the most liquid financial markets, and a highly developed banking system. Combined with America's military might, technological leadership, and political influence, these factors make the dollar the world's preferred currency for trade and investment. In recent years, some have speculated that digital currencies, BRICS alliances, or blockchain-based alternatives could challenge dollar dominance. Nations like China have introduced central bank digital currencies. The BRICS group has discussed reducing dollar dependence. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have attracted global attention. Yet, when it comes to global trade, investment, and reserves, none of these options offer the scale, stability, or trust required to rival the dollar. Replacing the dollar isn't as simple as introducing a new currency or technology. It requires a robust, universally accepted financial system capable of handling trillions of dollars in daily transactions. That system must be built on trust, legal protections, liquidity, and decades of reliability. Exactly what the dollar provides today. One of the key pillars reinforcing the dollar's global position is energy trade. Oil, natural gas, and other essential commodities are still priced and traded mainly in dollars. This petrodollar system gives the U.S. an unmatched grip on global economics. As long as nations depend on energy, and energy trade is conducted in dollars, demand for the dollar will remain deeply entrenched. Even with the shift toward renewable energy, this transition will take decades, keeping the dollar at the center of global finance. Critics point to America's debt levels, inflation, and political divisions as signs of potential weakness. But such issues are not unique to the United States. Most major economies face similar or greater challenges. What sets America apart is its resilience and ability to adapt. Its democratic institutions, independent courts, free press, and entrepreneurial spirit foster global confidence, ensuring the dollar remains the world's preferred currency. Even countries that publicly call for de-dollarization continue to depend on the dollar. Their reserves are still largely held in dollars. Their foreign debts are priced in dollars. Global businesses, from shipping to aviation to defense, overwhelmingly choose the dollar for its stability and global acceptance. The future of finance will undoubtedly be shaped by technology. Digital currencies, new payment platforms, and financial innovation are all on the rise. Even the U.S. is exploring a digital version of the dollar to maintain its global leadership. But this doesn't mean the dollar's dominance is coming to an end. Rather, it shows the dollar's ability to adapt and evolve. So, when someone claims the dollar's time is over, ask them, what's replacing it? Which currency has the same global trust? Which financial system offers the same legal clarity, liquidity, and economic depth? The truth is simple. no serious alternative exists yet. The US dollar is not just surviving, it is thriving. It remains the language of global trade, the anchor of financial reserves, and a symbol of economic stability. While the global landscape will continue to evolve, one fact remains clear. For the foreseeable future, the American dollar still leads the world. Like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting topics.